Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Revolut to Trading 212. First, open the Revolut app and log in. Tap Details to find your IBAN and other account information. Next, open the Trading 212 app. Tap the three lines at the bottom right and select Manage Funds. Here, link your Revolut account using your IBAN. Make sure the name matches your Trading 212 account. Once connected, you can add money from Revolut anytime by going to Manage Funds. And that's it. That's how to send money from Revolut to Trading 212. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.